I think this is one of the best experience that I am having throughout my racing career.
This is my first time to Europe
I don't know what to say because this is turning out to be the best trip of my life.
and I'm really enjoying it.
A really wonderful opportunity to sit on a MotoGP bike.
I don't want to go back. I want to stay here.
After RC Cup finale, this is a wonderful opportunity to come here and experience all this.
So my initial feeling when I walked into the KTM factory racing was like, wow.
It's great to have such an experience. Thank you, KTM, for giving me this incredible memory.
When I saw my name on the board, I don't know what to say, man. It is the best day of my life.
Today is the first day in Austria, so very much happy that this is the first time in Europe.
Just to enjoy every moment and have fun. And a lot of things actually. To meet Dani Pedrosa, to meet Jeremy McWilliams, to ride in the Red Bull ring, a lot of things, yeah. A special days for me.
So I think in this tour we learn a lot on how international racing works.
Yeah!
Today we just arrived at the KTM factory racing where the magic happens. As a MotoGP fan, this is a dream come true for me.
Pretty much excited.
They gave us a lot of insights, and this is an experience not everybody gets every day.
Today we had the privileged moment to witness all the bikes that are manufactured in KTM, like the 2-stroke, the 4-stroke, everything. We had gone through process like how the chassis is manufactured, how the suspensions are manufactured, and how the exhausts are manufactured.
And it's amazing how the bikes are prepared and how the R&D is done. And for every machine, how they do the dyno, and after that again they still check the bikes. They do a lot of audits to check for the quality of the bikes.
This is KTM Motor Hall.
We had a very warm welcome, having our names in the digital banner.
And to be here after winning the KTM Cup, it's a dream come true for me.
We had so much of learning from the era from where they have started the manufacturing the bike to what bikes they are building now.
A lot more, the trophies of KTM, and a lot more history and the pride of KTM.
I had goosebumps all on my body when I saw the video.
I had a wonderful chance to sit on Miguel Oliveira's bike. It is a dream come true into reality.
It's an amazing place to visit.
And this is turning out to be the best trip of my life. No more words for me. So the day has arrived. The day I've been waiting for since winning the KTM Cup to ride in the Red Bull ring.
Just super ready, super excited.
So here, attending the Red Bull Ring with our 3 RC Cup winners who are lucky enough to attend the Academy of Speed. I'm helping the guys and set up the bikes a little bit because it's all new to them. Tracks new bikes, new settings, new modes, lots more modes than they've tested before on the RC390. So just helping with that, and they're learning upshift and backshift and just finding a setting on the suspension and even the wheelie control. And you know, lots of help from the outside in. Not riding with them, unfortunately, but yeah, I get to do that again, maybe in the near future.
You know, this is one of the best tracks of the world. And to ride here was my dream, and yeah, we did it.
You don't feel you're riding a super bike. It feels very light and good to ride. You don't feel like very hard to control it.
it never felt like a bigger bike. It just felt like I could just go on, catch up with these guys, because these bikes are amazing. I'm telling you, these bikes are amazing.
The moment that made me special and felt like that I was a professional racer was I was riding alongside with Dani Pedrosa for a couple of laps on the Duke 990, and that really felt something else. It is not something like, I never imagined in my life that I would ever, try to be behind a MotoGP champion. So next, we are going for a taxi ride on a MotoGP bike.
I think they were pretty satisfied, to feel that power, and also on the acceleration and the braking power of the carbon brakes, and yeah, especially on this nice track and this layout, and to have this speed what we could have almost 300k on the straight, and the guy behind. I think we enjoyed for the day.
Enjoy. Full butterflies in my stomach. To all the participants, friends and family, and who are trying to apply for the season 3 of KTM Cup, this is a really wonderful opportunity.
As an amateur, it was a great moment and a great opportunity for myself. And yeah, I just went to the selection rounds in Coimbatore. And actually, I should tell you this, because I was the last guy to qualify. I was the 15th guy to qualify to the next round. And if I can make it from there to the AOS, I think anybody out there can make it. So yeah, man, don't just sit in the houses, just come out there and have fun.
To all the women riders in India, I'm here, gear up, and KTM is waiting for you.
You had some presents.